up, y'all? The hair that I'm using today is from Curlsqueen. All the information will be in the description box below. I have in 2 bundles of the light Yaki balayage clip-ins. The set comes with 2 of the 5-prong clips, 2 of the 4-prong clips, 2 of the 3-prong clips, and then you get 2 separate sets of the 2-prong clips. So really quickly, what came in the bag is a cute little brush here, a bonnet, and then also some extra clips. So let's get into it. Y'all, so for once, I am starting with freshly washed and blow-dried hair. Woo! But anyways, I know that's sad, right? Let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how easy it is to install it. Then I'm going to go through everything step by step and in details. So pretty much only thing I'm doing is sectioning off my hair, besides dancing, sectioning off my hair, flat ironing my hair, and then finding the clip that matches the length of my back of my head and installing that. When I flat iron my hair, I'm also making sure not to get too close to the root, because these clips right here have to be able to dig into my hair, and if it's too straight, it won't hold into place. So that was the brief overview, but now we're gonna get real detailed with it. But that's just how simple it is to install these clips. So there are 10 tracks total that comes with the 2 bundles that you get, and you see the thickness of my hair. These 2 tracks, not 2 tracks, 2 bundles was pretty much exactly enough to do my hair. I probably could have put less hair at the back and shifted some more towards the front, because I felt like I was running out towards the top. But it's also because of how I installed it. So what I'm doing now is I'm just flat ironing the next section of hair, taking another clip, and I'm actually taking a little bit longer clip, and I'm popping open the prongs, and then I'm sliding them into my hair. Now remember, I didn't flat iron my hair too close to my scalp so that they can have something to latch onto. So I'm basically repeating this step as I make my way towards the top of my head. I'm going to part my hair like this. Then I'm going to apply my heat protectant, which sometimes I cut out myself applying the heat protectant, because we all know what that looks like. And then I just flat iron my hair, making sure not to get too close to my scalp, because I'm not trying to do a silk press with this. I'm trying to just get it straight enough so that it blends with the hair. This is how you're going to get it to blend if you have my texture hair. Yeah, like since this is like a light Yaki hair, this is already pretty close to my natural texture. I'll try to show you like in another clip, but the hair is not like silky straight. It's light Yaki, so it has some texture to it, so you don't have to worry about silk pressing your hair. So I decided I wanted to do a middle part, and since I'm nearing towards the top of my head, I'm just going to go ahead and part out what's going to be my leave out. So I'm starting by parting my hair down the middle first like this, and then I am going to go and just part some additional hair on the sides. I'm leaving out enough to like cover the tracks that's going to be right there, but I'm not leaving out too much. When I flat iron my hair becomes thinner anyways, so even though it looks like I'm leaving out a lot of hair right now, honestly I'm not. When I straighten it, you'll see it. Now I'm moving on to the sides of my hair, so I'm just doing the same thing, but just on the sides. For the sides, I'm using the 2-prong clips because they're a little bit shorter, and I didn't need, like a super long clip, so it looks like this. And I'm just doing the same thing, making sure not to flat iron too close to my scalp, and I am sticking the clip into my hair and blending it, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So at the last minute, I decided instead of doing a middle part, I just want to go ahead and do a side part. So I'm just parting out the side of my hair like this. I always do my parts on the right side typically, and that's going to be all the hair that I leave out on that side. And then so I have 2 tracks left, and that's all I'm going to use to fill this side here. I'm glad that my hair is thinner, especially when I flat iron it. Because I would be concerned if 2 tracks was enough or not, but it definitely was. So now I'm just going to continue the same thing. I'm going to part my hair, and then I'm going to lay the track on top of it. Now I'm just touching up my leave out on the other side and brushing it, and you can kind of see like how it looks straight. I thought about leaving it straight because it looks really cute, but because this hair has like a lot of highlights, curling this type of hair actually looks really good as well. So I'm just taking my wand curler and I'm going to put some wand curls in here really quickly. And I'm done with the left side of my hair, so I just want to show you a side-by-side comparison of what it looks like straight versus curly. Honestly, I like it either way. It's really, really cute, and you can see the length. But now, fast forward a little bit, I went ahead and curled the other side of my head. I'm going to do my baby hairs. I'm using my edge booster because edge booster is the only thing that works on my natural hair. And I'm just going to swoop my edges, trying not to use too much product, just a little tiny bit. And I didn't want to do like crazy obnoxious like big swoops, just something like small and cute and to the point. So this is pretty much the finished product of the clip-ins. I have to say this is probably my favorite clip-in install. I really, really like this hair. The hair like follicles, I guess because it's like Yaki straight, the hair itself is very thick. Which is great because my hair is not thick, my natural hair. Even though my natural hair looked thick, it's really not. It's a little optical illusion. But the hair is thick. The color is absolutely beautiful. You can see the color really well at the beginning of this video. When I do my little B-roll, it's really hard to tell in this light right here, but like the color is immaculate. It's popping. Something else I like about the hair is that it's thick. Like whether I wore it straight or whether I wore it curly, the hair was thick from root to tips, so it looked natural and I got a really good full look. I liked wearing it either way. Also like that this hair holds a curl very, very well. These curls lasted a few hours. Honestly, I didn't keep the clips in that long, but the couple of hours that I did keep them in, they lasted. Like I even brushed it out and it was still fine. So I definitely recommend checking out this hair. All the information will be in the description box below, but that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Adios till next time.